This is x.xyz. Everyone knows ever since when Twitter got rebranded to X, every other company started having, X in their domain name or registering something related to X. But why is this domain name still hanging around the corner and no one is registering it? Now the question what keeps coming to my head is, do the companies don't have this much money to purchase it? And why is it so? First of all, it is the renewal. You can see the renewal, right? 69,999. This renewal price is extremely high, so companies avoid domains with massive long-term liabilities. This is the first thing. Now, if you calculate the company in the first year of their investment, they gotta invest at least, I would say, 140k. Yeah, you can do the maths. So premium renewals make this domain name very much financially unattractive. I've talked to a lot of startups and a lot of established businesses. They don't want to switch to the XYZs just because of their premium renewals. The second thing is the domain extension. Not every other investor is going to trust on the .xyz. Now there is a reason behind it. This is very unpredictable. This obviously has little less authority than the .com, the .net, the .org. If you just talk about the investment that the company has to make, the company can obviously acquire multiple premium .com domain names, and obviously that will be a complete brand package for them, and that will obviously be higher value assets than compared to the XYZ. Now there is another thing what I have realized since I have been an active investor of the .xyz domain extension. So the companies that are much interested in the .xyz domain extensions are mostly startups, experimental projects, cryptos. Not much I've seen with the AI. So there can be a little, I would say, niche or trendy thing with this domain extension. So all I would say is the reason this domain name is lying around the corner and no one is registering it is simply because this domain extension lacks brand trust.